I will present to you today the way we perform periodontal treatment, which consists of nothing more than removing the tartar that accumulates on patients' teeth.
I am Dr. Anna Maria, and you are on Tips, Dr. Anna Maria.
For this case, we will perform infiltrative anesthesia so the patient does not feel pain. This anesthesia allows us to remove the tartar, that is, subgingival. With an Explorer, we detect that the tartar is well solidified. We start scraping the more superficial portions. In this way, gently, we do not injure the patient's gums. Now, we will start to curette and scrape a little deeper since the anesthesia has started to take effect. With an ultrasonic piece and a special tip, we remove the superficial tartar with a lot of water. This way, the tooth pulp does not feel it, and the patient does not have pain. We are removing layer by layer. This tartar was probably formed by many years of poor hygiene. The patient is a smoker who also has a predisposition to periodontal disease. If we evaluate the clinical record a little better, there may even be some chronic disease accompanying this condition, so we will remove it with some delicacy. Some areas are slightly inflamed. There is somewhat a little bleeding, and we are removing it. When this tartar is removed, the patient's gums tend to recover in about 10 to 15 days. And if he maintains good hygiene, this tartar will not return. Lifestyle changes, better hygiene, changes in diet, and eliminating of tobacco from his life. We are removing it. Notice that where there is tartar, cavities are rarely found. They are different bacteria. As you remove it, you will notice that the tooth has mobility because tartar tends to affect the periodontal ligament, which are the fibers that hold the tooth. But we won't find cavities. However, if we remove this tartar very well, do a treatment every 15 days, and have good follow-up, some teeth that still have mobility can be saved. Then you will notice we will remove a large layer of tartar that is fully adhered. This tartar, for those who don't know, is formed by food residues and also by residues produced by bacteria that digest this food. So they form this protective wall so that these bacteria can continue to exist. It is a bacterial defense.
But I cannot emphasize enough to you that tartar can be removed by you by maintaining good hygiene, brushing correctly, or using dental floss properly.
Look at the layer of tartar that we removed. The odor is very strong. The smell is quite characteristic of solidified, decomposing material. Terrible, right? Well, but then we can do this removal. Leave everything very clean. The gums will recover. And if the patient has follow-up, the mobility will also stabilize. Look at the before and after. What did you think?
Well, did you like this video? Share it, leave your comment, subscribe to the channel, and thank you. A big kiss. See you next time.